Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Angel. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. This is a disaster video I am showing you. This is going to be like my before shots of my nail space. Now, normally it doesn't look like this messy, but today it happened to look like this because I'm like putting it all in one spot. But look here, I got a new desk. A big, huge, pretty, white, beautiful desk. And it's going to make this space so much more better. So this is an old desk. Well, it's not that old. I bought it off of Amazon. But from the moment I bought it, I hated it. It's just much too small. It's much too thin. But look at this. Oh my God. This new desk is so beautiful. It goes so nice here. Now, this is in a corner of my living room, this desk. It's literally in a corner of my living room. Anyways, so this is the space. There we go. Okay, so this is like my in-between with the desk where it's supposed to be. And now it's time to clutter it all up again. Oh, I swear to God, right? So I'm going to start bringing things in. Now, I did buy this little shelf that's on top. I just put that together. It's supposed to be a bookcase. I am using it horizontally instead of vertically to make cubby holes on my desk so I can put things back there. So today is Sunday, and I have been working at this since Friday. I am moving things all around. I am trying to find where I want to put everything. So it looks like shit right now, and I'm really trying to find how I really want this to go. And this is going to take a while to really figure it out. But it's a work in progress, and it's making me so happy to do this because I just love a clean space to work. If it's all cluttered, I just can't work. I can't work in chaos. I have enough chaos inside my head going on that I need everything around me to be like serene and pretty and not causing me stress. So the next couple videos are going to be me doing this desk and trying to get it pretty. And then after it's done, I'll give you a little tour and show you what I've come up with, like storage-wise, and how I'm organizing things. And then you can let me know what you do so I can improve mine. Because, hey, I'm a beginner and I need all the help I can get. So thank you very much for watching this, friends, and bear with me. I know I haven't had very many videos out. I am sorry about that, but hopefully I'll be back on track soon. I've had a lot of health issues going on, as you know, and I'm just trying to get back in the swing of things. And this was a Christmas present from my mom to me, or from my parents to me, this new desk. And I just kind of went a little extra and got the bookcase to go with it. And since they gave it to me early, I'm going to, this is what I'm doing for this next week. So don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put another video up. I'm going to probably put one up again, maybe even later today or tomorrow, because I need this done quick. Thanks so much for watching, and until the next video, bye friends.